Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about effect function. Effect function calculates the effective annual interest rate from a nominal interest rate and the number of compounding periods per year. The formula is effect nominal rate comma n per year. So nominal rate is the annual interest rate which is being given. It is compounded annually, quarterly and monthly. So n per is that compounding period. If it is monthly compounded, then 12 will be taken, and if it is quarterly compounded, then 4 will be taken. Tells you the real interest rate you are earning or paying when compounding is taken into account. So let's check with an example. Let's assume we have nominal rate and compounding period, different compounding periods. So let's check. If it is compounded only once per year, then what will be the effective rate? We will take the nominal rate, and n per, since it is compounded only once, so we will take 1 and it will give you the 10%. Next, coming to if it is compounded quarterly, then we will take 4 and it will say 10.38. If it is compounded monthly, then we will take 12 and it will say 10.47. So the real interest rate are these. Means if it is compounded yearly, then 10% is the original rate, quarterly then 10.38, monthly 10.47. To find the nominal rate when you know the effective rate, use the nominal function. Nominal function just reverses this. So let's assume we have 12.6825% interest rate which is effective. So what we have to do for calculating the nominal, use the nominal function on effective rate, and n per is the same, it is compounded monthly, so we will say 12 and it will give us 12%. It is in general, so we have to change it to percentage. It will say 12% is the nominal rate, whose effective rate is 12.6825%. So hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching this video.